Inspection quality does not begin at the equipment. It begins at your desk. What you establish before arrival decides what your findings are worth. Start with the basis. Identify which ASME boiler and pressure vessel code section and division applies to the item, and which edition governs. The code provides rules for design, fabrication, construction, and inspection. It does not stand alone. Confirm the jurisdiction's requirements, the owner or user's written procedures, the inspection plan, and the authorized role you are acting in. Then work 4 steps. 1. Establish the code and inspection basis, and your authorization for the work. 2. Collect the equipment dossier, nameplate and data report, design and operating conditions, drawings, fabrication and examination records, prior inspection reports, repair and alteration history, and relief device information where it applies. 3. Review that history for overdue actions and findings that keep returning. 4. Confirm scope and conditions, access, isolation and depressurization, permits, hazards, protective equipment, calibrated instruments, and the personnel required to be present. Verify each item against the applicable plan, not a fixed list. A prior report notes wall thinning at the same location on 2 consecutive inspections. History changes scope. Carry that indication forward into your scope. Verify the approved follow-up examination method and confirm the previous measurements and any repair records are in hand before you travel. Checkpoint. Before work begins, what must be confirmed? 4 things: the applicable code basis, records and history, the agreed scope, safe access and safe conditions. If a requirement, a record, or safety condition is missing, stop. Resolve it or escalate it before the inspection starts. Readiness gets documented, not assumed.